Hi, I'm Dana Brown, the Product and Education Manager at Ampersand Art Supply. We received a great question about how to repair an unwanted scratch on Scratchbord, and I'm going to show you how. Sometimes when you're working on Scratchbord, you might make a scratch that you didn't want, or you might change your mind about the position of a line. Unlike other Scratchboards, repairing an unwanted scratch on Ampersand Scratchbord is simple. To repair an unwanted scratch, you'll need a small paintbrush, like this number 0 round, and Ampersand's black repair ink, which is the perfect match for Ampersand Scratchbord. Load the brush with ink, but then blot it once on a paper towel to avoid using too much ink at once. Brush over the scratch that you'd like to cover to reapply the ink that's been scratched away. Repeat this process until you've recovered any unwanted scratches. Because Ampersand's Scratchbord surface is absorbent, the ink will dry very quickly. Once the ink has dried, you can scratch back into that area to complete the piece. You may be able to see a slight difference in sheen where you've made the repair, but when you're done with the artwork, apply a protective fixative to the surface and the repair will disappear. Thanks for your great question. Be sure and check back as we answer more of your Ampersand questions.